Hey y'all, welcome back to The Simple Way. Here I have some delicious homemade turkey gravy, perfect for the holiday season. So if you want to learn how I made this, keep watching. So in my previous video, I made 8 cups of turkey stock, and this is what it looks like after being refrigerated overnight. So I'm going to quickly defat the stock, reheat it, and measure it out. As you know, fat always rises to the top, so this is a very easy process. Now this is what the stock looks like after the fat has been removed. As you can see here, it's very gelatinous, which is normal, and it's also a very good indicator that the stock has been cooked perfectly. So now I'm going to go ahead and reheat the stock on low heat, which is going to turn this jelly-like stock back to its liquid texture. And this process only took 2 minutes. Now I'm going to measure out 2 cups of stock using my turkey baster to collect the stock from the bottom where there is no fat. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using to make the gravy: 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of turkey fat, 2 cups of stock, salt and pepper, thyme, rosemary, and basil. We're going to make a roux using the flour, butter, and turkey fat. In a small or medium-sized pot, toss in 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Add in your turkey fat, mix well. Then add the flour and whisk, whisk, whisk. You want to whisk away any lumps, and we're going to cook the flour taste out of this roux. Increase your heat to medium high and stir this, being careful not to burn it because it can burn very easily. Next, add half of the 2-cup measurement of turkey stock. Mix well. And you're going to gradually add in more stock and continue to mix, just making sure that there are no lumps in your gravy. So once your gravy thickens, just like you see here, now you want to add in the remaining stock. You can also decrease your heat to low. Continue to stir the gravy. Once it has reached the consistency that you like, go ahead and turn the heat off. So I'm showing you guys right here, this is what your gravy should look like. Now we're going to season this, which is the fun part because you get to taste it. We're going to season this with the salt, pepper, and the herbs. I recommend that you add in a little at a time. Stir it up well, taste it, and add more seasonings if necessary. So now that the gravy is done, you know, I have to plate it up. You guys, I can't just make gravy and just not plate it on. I can't leave y'all hanging like that. Well, I just made some mashed potatoes, you know, it was easy. I really wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It just smells so good. I really wish you could just taste the gravy. This was so good. So let me just briefly describe the gravy. It was bomb, period. It was bomb. But no, seriously, this gravy was really good. It was really rich and packed with tons of flavor from the turkey stock. So last but not least, I wanted to show you what it looks like after it sits for a little while. So of course I had to, you know, do my thumbnail and all of that good stuff. So this gravy at this time was sitting for about an hour. So as you can see here, it has gotten a little thicker. So now if this happens, all you need to do is just add a little H2O, just add a little water, or you can add some of the unused turkey stock. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.